Welcome to our channel, RG Hub, where we bring you valuable information to help you navigate the world. In today's video, we will discuss about a topic related to personal finance. We have an exciting quiz part 1 to test your credit card knowledge. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Question number 1. What is a credit card? Option A, card to buy now and pay later. Option B, load money before purchases. Option C, get rewards for spending. The correct answer is A, card to buy now and pay later. Great job if you got that one right. Moving on to question number 2. What is a credit limit? Option A, minimum amount to pay off balance. Option B, maximum amount you can borrow. Option C, interest rate charged on card. The correct answer is B, maximum amount you can borrow. Keep up the good work. What is an APR? Option A, fee charged on a late payment. Option B, the amount you owe each month. Option C, annual percentage rate of borrowing. The correct answer is C, annual percentage rate of borrowing. You are doing fantastic. Time for question number 4. What is a balance transfer? Option A, money paid to reduce card debt. Option B, transferring balance to another card. Option C, rewards you earn for using card. The correct answer is B, transferring balance to another card. And finally, question number 5. What is a credit score? Option A, number that shows creditworthiness. Option B, money you owe on credit card. Option C, number of years card held. The correct answer is A, number that shows creditworthiness. Congratulations if you got that one right. That concludes our credit card quiz part 1. How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments below, and if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to suggest them. Don't forget to check out part 2 of the quiz. Also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.